Hello and happy Tuesday. It's Mrs. Hatfield here coming your way to walk you through daily math practice for week 18, day 2. So first one says, what is the difference in length between the tallest and shortest student? So our tallest student is 5 feet tall and our shortest student is 4 feet tall. Difference means subtract. How many more 5th graders are 4.5 feet tall than 5 feet tall? So how many more are 4.5 feet tall versus 5 feet tall? Question 3, select the acute angles, the skinny ones. So there are 2 acute angles in this. Oh, wait, no. That feels wrong. There's 3 acute angles in this shape. I had to look a little closer. I was like, wait, Miss Hatfield, 90 degrees is a right angle. Less than 90 degrees is acute. Question 4, which digit will make the comparison true? Select all that apply. Remember, all means that there's going to be more than one answer. So there are actually... what I say would make it true. No, I take that back. There's only one correct answer in this one. Alright, which digit will make this comparison true? Oh, that's the all. So something less than 43 hundredths. What's the missing digit there? Alright. Question 5, look at the diagram of 180 degrees. What's the measurement of the unknown angle? So what is this one right here? Well, if we know that this one is 120, in a straight line is 180 degrees. You were doing some advanced work here, fellas and ladies. If I do 8 minus 2, that's 60. So this angle would be 60 degrees. Our next question says, a garden A covers an area of 273 square feet. It is 143 square feet larger than garden B. Garden C is 78 square feet larger than garden A. What is the area of all 3 gardens? So let's take a look at our first part. We know that garden A covers an area of 273. So let's start with what we know. It is 143 square feet larger than garden B. Ooh. Since this one is bigger than this one, I know that I'm going to need to subtract 273 minus our 143 to figure out how big is garden B. And I'll call this answer, normally I'd write it straight here, I'll call this garden B. And then garden C is 78 square feet larger than garden A. So garden C is 78 square feet larger. Larger means that I would need to add than garden A. That'll give you your answer for C. When you're done figuring out the values for garden B and garden C, it then asks us what is the area of all 3 gardens. So once you're done, add the 3 numbers up to find the area of all of those. Be super careful with your addition and your subtraction. Question 7, some division again. 606 divided by 6. Okay, refreshing your memory. 606 divided by 6. Well, some of you might have already just seen the pattern. 6 goes into 6 one time. 6 cannot go into 0. There are 0 groups in 6. And 6 can fit into 6 one more time. You could also solve it the Big 7 way. Remember, the Big 7 is called Big 7 just because it looks like a Big 7. So let's pretend I have $606 and I'm going to split it between 6 people. Well, I know that I could give everybody $100 to start. I'm like, okay, you all get $100. And if I split this up, I would have $6 left, and 6 can go into 6 one time. So if I add these two numbers up, I would have 101. I should have finished this one. I got excited. There we go. I'd have 101 as my answer for the dollars there. Okay, next one, 128 divided by 8. Let's pretend I have 128, something fun, beads, and I'm going to split them into 8 bags. Oh, these are candies that I'm going to split into 8 bags to give to friends. I need to know how many candies I'm going to put in each bag for my presents. I'll use the Big 7 method for this problem. I know I can start with something easy. I know that I could probably put 10 candies in all the bags because I know that 8 times 10 gets me 80. I subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. Ooh, I see that this is a math fact. I see 48 divided by 8. Well, I know that 6 times 8 is 48, so I'm going to put 6 more candies into that bag for my presents for people. So out of that candy bag, I can see that I would give 16 pieces of candy to 8 people for my presents. And for the last one, we're going to divide 381 divided by 9, and I'll use the traditional method. So regular division method, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And start with what's easy. Can we fit a group of 9 into 3? No. Can we fit a group of 9 into 36? Yes. Thinking of my math facts, I know that 4 times 9 gets me 36. Since 4 times 9 is 36, and 36 is as close to 38 as I can get, that's going to be my number. I go back to the top because I've brought down my 1. 21 divided by 9 is what? Well, thinking of my math facts again, I know that 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. That would be too much. So I'm going to subtract. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So my answer is 42 with a remainder of 3. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a terrific Tuesday.